Hello. Now we are going to construct a line parallel through the line L. So we're going to label this line that we're given L. So this is A. This is line M. Okay. So you can't see those. So this is A, this is line M, and we are going to construct a line parallel through A, and the line will be parallel to M. So the first thing we want to do is we want to draw a line, any line that connects A to M. Now you can draw it this way. I would not suggest going through the arrow. You can draw it this way. Do not draw it perpendicular. So do not put your ruler so that it lines up with the line, so that you line up like the 4 and A. Don't do that. You just want to draw some angle there. And you just want to draw a line. Okay? That does not look great because it doesn't really go through the point A. So let's try again. So we want it to go through A. So I'm putting my penciled point on A, and then I'm drawing my line. That's better. Next thing you're going to do is you want to get your compass. Notice my compass doesn't have any let out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my compass up, put my point out, line my compass and the point together, then I'm going to close my compass down. Line them up, then I'm going to close my compass down. Okay, now I want a dummy arc, just any dummy arc. And I'm going to take and I move my paper. Okay, there's a reason why I do not tape my paper down to my background. I'm going to put a dummy arc around my line M, and I'm going to call this line that I drew line L. Okay, so I'm drawing a dummy arc between L and M. Okay, then I'm going to draw my dummy arc around point A and around point L. And I'm going to make it almost 180 degrees. Okay. Now I'm going to measure the from L to M. Okay. That's not quite right. So I'm going to measure from L to M. Okay. So that's this angle. And I'm going to take it and notice that this time I measured from the top down to the bottom. So I'm going to go up here and measure from the top down to the bottom. If I measure from M up to L, I have no place to put it. I can't go from here doesn't give me the correct measurement. That will put my line way down here. That's not where I'm going to measure. So I'm going to measure from the top down to the bottom. So I want to measure that same angle here, from the top to the bottom. Then all I'm going to do is through this point. So I'm going to go from A, from where the two arcs cross, and there's my parallel line. And these two angles are corresponding angles. So the intersection of corresponding angles, if I have corresponding angles that are congruent, then I have parallel lines. And this new line is line N. All right? And there's your parallel lines. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.